Hello, I'm Dr. Joanne Vizzini, and I'm usually called Dr. V. I'm so excited to invite you to come to a workshop that I'm giving through Chesapeake Beach Professional Seminars on Thursday and Friday, July 9 and 10. It's just going to be fabulous. I know that you're at home and that you understand when I say it's going to be virtual. So, I'd like to show you how you can use puppets and dolls in your practice when you're working with trauma and doing it through the web. Here's one of my friends to help introduce it to you. This is Lionhearted.
Hey, it's Lionhearted, and I know it's nice to meet me. Well, I'm having to get used to this wearing a mask. I know it's important, but I'm telling you, it's riding up on my face, and it's stopping me from breathing easy, and cutting off my eyes. Oh, I forgot, I'm inside. I'm in with safe friends. Oh, there we go. Hi, my name is Lionhearted, and I know it's nice to meet me. And I'm going to be part of the troupe, part of the puppet and doll troupe to help you learn about using puppets and dolls with your clients. It's not just for kids, it's for teenagers and adults too, for whole families. And what's it take to get through trauma? It takes courage. I know you can't wait to come out and share your courage about being a clinician in these times when everyone's living in a trauma. So I want you to sign up as soon as you stop hearing this nice video, because my friends, puppets and dolls are gonna be there. It's being set free with Dr. V and me. I'm gonna be there, me and Dr. V.
Lionhearted, it's all of us.
Well, like I said, it's me and Dr. V. See ya for Puppet Doll Workshop, July 9 and 10. Chesapeake Beach Seminars, yeah! Courage!
So I look forward to having you come to see us, and we'll be there virtually for you. You'll get worksheets and ways to use with your clients right away. Take care. See you soon. Bye.